Let's make shredded chicken. Today, this recipe chicken is tender and flavorful. Marinate chicken one night in advance. Sliced ginger. Drizzle cooking oil and add ginger and red dates. High heat steam for 15-20 minutes. Poke with chopsticks to test if it is cooked. Hand shredded chicken after it cooled down. Pour in chicken soup, coriander, onion, and chilies. Mix well. Then mix well. Plate. Hand shredded chicken is done. This chicken is tender and flavorful, easy to eat and appetizing. This recipe is easy and delicious. Give it a try, you will love it too. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in next video.